In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple quantities to a listing on eBay, providing a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's dive into the process, setting you up for selling success with straightforward, clear instructions. First, ensure you're comfortably logged into your eBay account. This is your gateway to manage all your selling activities effectively. If you haven't already done so, land on the homepage and enter your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the My eBay section. To do this, look for it on the top right part of your screen. Hover over My eBay, and from the drop-down menu select Selling. This is where the magic happens. Under the Selling section, you'll find Listings. Click on this as it will take you directly to your hub of active, sold, and unsold items. Now that you're in the Listings area, you have two options. You can either create a new listing from scratch or simply edit one you've already established. If you're crafting a brand new listing, click on the List an Item button and follow the initial prompts. If you're modifying an existing listing, just scroll through your existing listings, find the item you want to adjust, and select the Edit button next to it. As you dive further into the listing details, scroll down until you reach the Pricing section. This is a crucial part of your setup as it determines how your products will be perceived by potential buyers. Here, you'll need to decide on the format of your sale. For the purpose of multiple quantity listings, it's important to select the Buy It Now format. This allows buyers to purchase your items immediately at a set price, which is perfect for managing and selling multiple quantities efficiently. Now let's zero in on the core of today's guide, the quantity field. Located just below your pricing format, this is where you indicate how many items you have available for sale. Simply click into the quantity box and input the total number of items. Make sure the number accurately reflects your inventory to avoid overselling or inventory shortages. Finally, review your listing. Ensure every detail is correct and that it accurately represents your product. Once you're certain everything is in order, you have a choice. Either list your item immediately or save it as a draft to finalize later. Listing now is ideal if you're ready to go live, but if you need more time to double check details or gather more information, saving for later is a handy option. By following these detailed steps, you should now be able to maneuver through eBay's interface with ease, setting yourself up to successfully manage listings with multiple quantities. Best of luck with your sales, and thank you for joining us today.